Speaking of a thing that it appears that people will buy regardless of their current state of employment, the PlayStation 5 has so much attention. People are getting hyped about, well, anything that comes out about it. And just recently here, we have a glimpse into the UI. And it's actually quite a comprehensive video. It's 11 minutes and 35 seconds. It is on the actual PlayStation account. So it's an official kind of walkthrough, not an end user or a influencer or anything like that. It's from PlayStation. They showcase kind of like a card system for navigation, and the whole emphasis here is apparently around, well, speed for one, and not leaving the game. So the game is always ready to go, even as you interact with UI elements or think about doing something else. You go to read, see how the game is still on in the background.
Yeah, and they also had picture-in-picture for some reason, which was kind of cool. I thought that was interesting.
Yeah, and
so you can watch your friends play.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that part. That is cool. The if you go towards the end, there's an interesting piece about a game or a piece of media. Yeah, around here, every game or piece of media is going to have its own dedicated page like that. So it will completely change the look when you're hovering it of the whole interface. And they also made the top icons a little bit smaller, and there's more negative space.
Right.
By the looks of it, compared to the PlayStation 4 UI. But I mean, I'm going to be honest, it's pretty similar. You're scrolling left to right for most, and you still have, on the left-hand side, you still pop up that kind of sub-menu thing in the box on the left-hand side. So it's kind of similar, but I thought it was interesting. I think anyone who is considering purchasing the next-gen console might as well take a look at it, because you will be living within this interface very, very soon. But I think there is kind of a merging of UIs in the game console world, because the Xbox Series X is kind of similar.
Yeah, they have kind of like a card system.
They moved away. They moved away more so from what they had earlier, and now they're kind of meeting somewhere in the middle. And it's going to be a card. It's going to be a left-right. It's going to be a card. But it's cool because actually this nav menu here, it shows in-game specific things too. It shows different challenges and things in the title that you're already in, inside of that UI. This is cool. Yeah, this is the part I was talking about. Oh, maybe not. I think he backs out of this particular game and talks about the custom full-page splash page for each game, which will be unique as well. Anyway, you can go check it out for yourself. It's completely rebuilt. It's rebuilt around speed to bring a truly next-gen experience. Obviously, everything's been rezzed up as well. According to PlayStation, here's the quote: "We believe the less time you spend waiting to interact with the system, the more time you will have to spend playing games." Which I don't think anyone's going to be mad at that. So go check that out.